guys, welcome to my channel Glitter and Glow. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Guys, in today's video, I'm sharing with you all Diwali makeup look. So this is the makeup look which I've created in this video. So please watch this video till the end. I'm sure you all must be excited for Diwali. So today I've created this makeup look. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm also there on Instagram and Facebook. So if you want to follow me over there, I'll put my Insta and Facebook ID on the screen. So don't forget to follow me over there. So guys, without any further ado, let's go to the video. So guys, the very first step we are going to be starting with is moisturizing my face. So for moisturizer, I'm using Himalaya BB Cream. I personally like this product a lot. You must have seen in my previous videos too that I use only this as moisturizer. I'm using this since 2-3 years now. For lip balm, I'm using Zodio's Cherry Lip Balm. Then for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. I'm taking a very little quantity of foundation, but if you wish to apply more, then you can go for it. I don't like too much foundation on my face, so. Then guys, I'm blending it with this beauty blender. Do not skip applying foundation in your neck area too. Then for concealer, I am using Insight Concealer Palette. I am taking these two shades and applying under my eyes and on my eyes. Then again I am blending it with the beauty blender. It is a wet beauty blender. Then for setting my base, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade Natural Beige 220. You can see my base is ready. The eyebrows, I'm using a local eyebrow pencil which is in the shade dark brown. Guys, you can see my base and eyebrows are ready. Now next I am combing my eyebrows with this eyebrow brush. Next for eyeshadow, I am using Miss Claire eyeshadow palette. So in this palette basically you have all these shades and also you have glittery shades. From this I am using this brown eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking black eyeshadow and applying it in my outer area to create a smoky eye look. Next, I'm taking green shimmery eyeshadow and applying it on my eyes. Next, I'm taking a little bit of golden shade and applying it on my eyes. Next, I'm taking a clean makeup brush to remove all the excess underneath my eyes. So this is the eyeshadow which I've created. It is very basic. Next, I'm taking dark green eyeshadow and applying it in my lower lash line to complete this look. Next, I'm using eyelash curler to curl my eyelash. Next, for eyeliner, I'm using from Zodio black eyeliner. Next, for the mascara, I'm using Blue Heaven Lash Twist Mascara. Next, for the blush, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics blush in the shade Pink Pinnacle. I personally love this blush a lot. Next, for highlighter, I'm using golden eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palette. For lipstick, I'm using Zodio's creamy lipstick in the shade Mauve Nude N05. I personally like my lipstick to be matte, so I'm taking a little bit of compact and applying on my lips to make the lipstick matte. Next, I'm wearing long earrings to match with this outfit. Lastly, I'm applying green bindi to complete this entire look. So guys, this is the final look. I have wore the dupatta and earrings. and I've also done little soft curls in my hair. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you all have liked this makeup look which I have created in this video. If you want more such kind of videos, then please comment me down. And also you can comment me down if you have any kind of suggestions for my next video. Bye guys, see you all in the next video.